In today's video, I'm going to teach you a beginner's guide to using Substack, a fantastic platform for writers looking to start their own publication. We'll break down the essentials you need to get started and ensure you're on the right path to creating and distributing compelling content. First, you'll need to create a publication. Head over to Substack's main page and look for the option that allows you to start your publication. Once you're all set, you'll want to head to your account settings. You can typically find this by clicking on your account icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, where you'll need to select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the option to create another publication. This is where you will need to designate a unique URL for your publication. Take a moment to think about something memorable and relevant to your content. Once you've settled on a good name, proceed by clicking Continue. Now it's time to import your mailing list. To do this, select the appropriate file that contains your email contacts and upload it to Substack. You also have the option of manually adding subscribers by entering their email addresses directly into the platform. After you've ensured that your subscriber list is all set, click Continue. Once you have completed these initial steps, you're ready to create a new post. From the home page of your publication, look for the New Post button and click on it. You'll then be prompted to choose a post type. For now, you can opt for a text post. Begin by entering a compelling title for your post, something that will immediately grab the attention of your readers. Follow this with a highlight, which serves as a brief summary or key point of your post. You might also want to add a subtitle to provide your readers with a bit more context. Finally, dive into writing your main content in the body section. Once your post is ready, click Continue. You will be asked about how you want to distribute your post. You can send it to all your subscribers by selecting Everyone, or limit it to just your paid subscribers, depending on the subscription model you're using. For comments, you have the option to allow everyone to comment or to disable comments altogether. Don't forget to add relevant tags to enhance the discoverability of your post. You also have the flexibility to either schedule your post for later delivery or send it immediately. Finally, make sure your post reaches everyone by clicking Send via email in the Substack app. Once satisfied, you can choose Send to Everyone Now to distribute your content. Adding subscription buttons is another excellent way to grow your audience. Simply click on Add Subscribe buttons, and when you're all set, click Continue again to finalize everything. Remember, you can always go back and edit if something doesn't seem quite right. Now you're ready to share your content with the world on Substack. Enjoy creating and good luck with your newsletter.